Alright, everyone. Here we are at round 2. We finished on ticket 14 from book 0131712. And we got tickets 15 and 16 from book 0131712. Alright, let's see if we get something good, guys, on round 2 to keep y'all in it. Alright, here we go. See if we can find a symbol. Want something good. No bust, no bust. We do not want a bust. We do not want a bust. Alright, no symbol. So we have an 18. Nope. 39. 32. 19. 7. 6. 26. A bunch of one-offs for sure to give. Alright, nothing here. On to 16. 0131712. Numbers are 24, 25, 4, 38, 27, 31, and 3. 35, 1, 16, 26, something good, 10, 19, 18, 22, 5, oh, those big zeros, 17, 30, 11, 40, 36, 29, 39, one off again, 8, 6, 33, 2, 21, 12, 9, and a 32. Oh, let me scan these. I'll be right back. Alright, guys. Oh, this book has started out with a bust already. So, I guess, let's just try out, if y'all could just send $10 donation, and we'll see what the next 7 tickets we'll have for y'all, and we'll go from there. There has to be something good coming up, guys, because this is for the first, 16 tickets, nothing good. There's a sweet spot coming for y'all. There is something good, guys. So if y'all can please send $10 donation, we'll get the next 7 tickets for round 3. And once I get that, I'll get the next 7 tickets, and we'll see what there is in store for y'all for the next round, guys. Alright, let's see if we can get this beautiful 20 times. We have yet to find that, but we have found nice, beautiful $200. Let's see if we can get something else better than that. This is what we want to find, guys, right here. 500,000, 5,000, 50,000, and a mil. Alright, everyone, so, the bust. We did find a bust on this book, but there is a sweet spot coming for y'all. Alright, everyone, have a wonderful, blessed day, and I'll see you next time. Love ya.